what is up, guys? So today, while I was scrolling through my Twitter feed, I saw this article on The Verge, and the article reads, Lego takes on Samsung and Huawei with its own foldable. So I read the article and I realized that Lego is basically making fun of Samsung and Huawei and these other phone companies. Here's why they're making fun of them. So in the post that they post, the caption says, a stunning 5-inch cover display unfolds into a 11-inch pop-up storyboard for endless creative play that never ends out of battery. Basically, you see there, they're basically making fun of them because these foldable phones will run out of battery. Every single phone out there will run out of battery unless it's a plug-in phone like those old phones, but these smartphones nowadays always run out of battery. So Legos is basically saying they're gonna make something cheaper, better, creative, and that it will never runs out of battery. So that's what I see in the article, and that's what I get from the article. So you guys can go check out the article down below. And I'm not sure if Lego gonna really make this Lego Fold, but if they do, it will be much cheaper than the Samsung Fold and the Huawei Fold, or whatever Huawei is calling it, because the Samsung Fold, as you can see now, is about 2,000 US dollars, which is a pretty high price for a phone. But yeah, that's just what it is. It's a new phone, a new concept. It's always going to be pricey. Probably 5 years down the line, it will get under $1,000. Not probably, it will get under $1,000, because that's just how the company and the phone world goes. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.